Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get Temu app-only deals. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So to get Temu app-only deals, you want to simply go ahead and download it.
1 o'clock.
You want to simply go ahead and download and install the Temu application. And once you've done that, go to the U tab and then look for the settings. And now inside of notifications, make sure that your promotions, notification and push notifications both are turned on. Once you do that, they're going to go ahead and send you actively the coupons and offers tab in your email. And once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go ahead and get some pretty good deals. You can also participate in the in-app games like Farmland or Fishland and use the search bar for hidden discounts. So new users should utilize the welcome bundle, while existing users can trigger discounts by leaving items in their cart. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.